This is our winter collection. We are going to try together our 3 new blends that we prepare especially for the winter. And we are going to start with Sweet Dreams, and then Cherry Cheer, and Berry Bramble. And these teas have been steaming for 5 minutes. You can steep them longer, but some herbs turn bitter after 5 minutes, so I wouldn't go beyond 6. I put a teaspoon of blend, each herbal tea blend, in one of these little bags that they come in a box of 45. And this bag is unbleached and there's no microplastics, so you can compost it. Okay, let's go with Sweet Dreams. I'm gonna take them all out. Look how pretty they look inside the bag. And this is Cherry Cheer and Berry Bramble. And I put them from lighter to darkest, but that wasn't intentional. Oh, by the way, you can buy the 3 of them in this beautiful festive box ready for gift giving. Let's try Sweet Dreams. Oh, I love the smell of this tea. It's nothing like I've ever smelled in a chamomile tea, because it has some other ingredients, some secret ingredients. It has lavender, and you can smell it just a tiny bit. And it also has apple pieces, of course, chamomile, St. John wort. It has licorice, it has fennel, peppermint, just a tiny bit of peppermint, but you can't, it does something to the blend, and valerian. Look at this beautiful label. All our labels are watercolors. They're original watercolors that then we turn into a label. So yes, this is Sweet Dreams, and it became my favorite for evening ritual. It smells so good and it tastes so good. Anytime when you need to wind down, this is going to be your favorite go-to tea. Let's try Cherry Cheer. Look at the beautiful color. It's transparent red. It's tart and it's sweet. It dances between those 2 flavors. Um, let me show you the beautiful label, and you're going to see a very unexpected ingredient in this herbal tea blend. Is banana. The banana mellows the flavor of the cherries, and that's the tart flavor. That's why it's a beautiful combination that we chose for this blend. Is wonderful for mocktails, for punch, for iced tea. It has apple, hibiscus, rosehip, orange, banana, cherry, and also strawberry. So it's fruit forward is what we call this tea. Very flavorful, uh, very cozy. I can see yourself um, enjoying this tea with a book, with your favorite podcast. Um, but it's flavorful. I promise you. Keep that in mind. And now, Berry Bramble. Just by looking at the label, you realize that the star ingredients here are blueberries. We have American blueberries, we have European blueberries, elderberries, currant, apple pieces. This blend is full of character, and also look at the color. Full of color as well. It is so, it tastes so good. It smells so beautiful. Oh, very, very nice. Perfect to be close to the fireplace. If you don't have a fireplace, it will make you think of one. It's so good. Um, Let me show it to you. This is very rumble, very pretty. Cherry cheer, and it has full cherries. Let me show you. Look at this. A full cherry, little pieces of banana. Here you go. It's not meant to be eaten like that. You're supposed to make a tea with it, but I love it so much. Chamomile, gorgeous. My favorite chamomile tea this winter season is Sweet Dreams. Sweet Dreams are made of this, and I hope you love them.